Hey everyone, welcome to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into a common tech question, how to open RAR files on a Mac. If you've ever downloaded a file and wondered how to access its contents, this video is for you. Stick around as we guide you through the process step by step. RAR files are a popular compression format used to bundle large amounts of data into a single file. While Macs can handle most file types natively, RAR files require a bit of extra software to open. Don't worry, it's straightforward and won't take long. Step 1. Using the Unarchiver. The easiest way to open RAR files on a Mac is by using a free app called the Unarchiver. Here's how to get started. Open your web browser and go to Mac App Store or the Unarchiver's website. Download and install the Unarchiver app. Once installed, open the Unarchiver. In the Preferences, make sure RAR is checked under the Archive Formats tab. Now, simply double-click on the RAR file you want to open. The Unarchiver will automatically extract its contents into a folder in the same location as the original RAR file. Set the terminal optional. For those comfortable with terminal, macOS's command line interface, you can also use the built-in unrar command to extract RAR files. Here's how. Open terminal from your application's greater than utilities folder. Navigate to the folder containing your RAR file using the cd command. Type unrar x, file name RAR, and press enter. Replace file named .rar with the name of your RAR file. Terminal will extract the contents of the RAR file into the current directory. Conclusion. And there you have it. Opening RAR files on a Mac is a breeze with the Unarchiver or terminal. Whether you prefer a user-friendly app or command line efficiency, these methods will have you accessing your files in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.